sila. Kumuha na kayo tayo.
Tara na, tara.
Kumuha na kayo tayo. Wait lang, pahingi paper. Pahingi paper. Nandiyan si... Okay, class. Please stand up for our opening prayer.
Okay, class. Next week na pala yung Caracol. So, okay na ba yung para sa klase nyo? So, yung, ano ba? Yung props, okay na ba? Yung sayaw, na-practice nyo na?
Nakagawa ko ng props.
Ayan. Sige. So, let's start our discussion. Let's start it with a question. So, para sa inyo, what is faith? So, anyone to ask? Miss Alicia? Miss Alicia?
Ma'am,
Miss Alicia, if you don't want to listen, you may go out. God bless this child.
what God? He's been dead a long time.
How can you say so, Miss Alicia?
God is dead because I killed him.
Hey, stop that!
I'm not the only one who killed God. Not even you, Mom, is an exception.
I've witnessed it. It's frightening. Alicia starts questioning God. Why does it have to happen? Once, she had a happy family, but her father became sick and cannot even work. Suddenly, her father died. When she had overcome her father's death, she had changed. She abandoned God and killed him.
What is faith, huh? It means not wanting to know the truth. I better go to the library. At least the books there are based on facts.